Welcome! In today's tutorial, I'll show how to prevent specific contacts from seeing your phone number on Telegram Web using the latest update. This is an important privacy feature that helps keep your number hidden from people you don't want to share it with even if they're already in your contact list. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. Once the interface loads, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. That's your main menu. Click on those lines to open the side panel. Next, scroll down and select Settings. From here, move to Privacy and Security, which is where all your privacy controls are located. This section allows you to manage who can see your personal information, and that includes your phone number. Now, click on the option labeled Who Can See My Phone Number. You'll notice several choices here, such as Everybody, My Contacts, and a Nobody. Choose My Contacts to make sure only the people saved in your contacts can potentially view your number. After that, scroll down and find the Never Allow section. This is where you can make exceptions to your privacy settings. Click on Never Allow, and a list of your contacts will appear. Carefully select the users you want to block from seeing your phone number. This means that even though they're part of your contacts, they'll have no access to your number. Once you've chosen the people you want to restrict, confirm the step to save your changes. Telegram will automatically apply this setting, and from now on, those selected users will no longer be able to see your phone number. And that's